Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as TikTok Cashbot, as you can see right here. And we will discuss about this product in details. We will learn everything about the product. I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well. Let me show you my bonuses. This is my bonus page, and all of these bonuses, bonus number 1, 2 and 3, will be transferred to your account if you get this product from my link in the description. But before going any further details about the product, let me tell you beforehand that if you buy this product from the link in the description, then I will get some commissions out of your purchase, and without you paying in anything extra for the product. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as TikTok Cashbot. And so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this product is called as TikTok Cashbot, which exposes $75 billion TikTok algorithm, which pays $25 to $50 over and over every time we upload a done for you video. So no video making, no editing, just upload the done for you videos and you are done. Over $214,000 paid out with TikTok Cashbot. Brand new app which works flawlessly in 2022. Just upload the done for you videos and you are all set. Anyone can do this with zero experience. Tap in to $75 billion TikTok algorithm and no risk, and having a 365-day money back guarantee. So you are having a full-fledged 1 year to try out this product, and if you are not comfortable with the product, you can return the product and get your full refund which you paid for this product. Okay, and if you want to buy the product, simply click on this button and you are good to go. You can buy the product from here. But before going and showing you anything about the product, let me show you what are the things you are going to get from my side if you want to buy this product from my link which is in the description of this video. So this is my bonus page. As you can see, this is for TikTok Cashbot, and before by this timer hit 0, you must buy this product. Why it is so, we'll discuss about it. I have briefed about the product as well. Then you are having 365-day money back guarantee. We will discuss about the funnel as well. But right now, let me show you and introduce you to my bonuses. So my bonuses will be, the TikTok Cashbot app, as you can see, is a kind of an app which you can upload videos on TikTok and then you can earn money out of it. But that will not be that much simple to simply upload videos and earning money. You must add on some details. You must have a reach on TikTok. Then you must add something below the video so that people can click on that link, they can buy the product, and you can get the commission when people buys something from your link, which the complete system is called as affiliate marketing. And from my side, I'm gonna master you in affiliate marketing through my bonus number 1 and bonus number 2. The bonus number 1 will be completely based on affiliate marketing, how to get affiliate marketing done the proper way, how people are promoting the stuffs in affiliate marketing, how people are making tons of money through affiliate marketing. All of these will be shared with you completely without anything to be hidden, as my bonus number 1, which I'm gonna show you right now, and it is completely based on affiliate marketing, as you can see. So the bonus number 1 is $1 million toolbox, 6-figure influx, $200 cash act, commission blueprint, $200 to $1,000 CPA, traffic jacker, coffee shop method, $300 CPA every day, $500 CPA every day, pure profit paydays, commission magnet, commission profit hack, overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker, commission glitch, $100 CPA daily, commission toolbox. There are complete 16 affiliate marketing courses, and after getting this bonus number 1 only, there is no way you are afterwards a mature or a novice in affiliate marketing. You will be a master in knowledge. Regarding to the knowledge base, you will be similar to those are doing affiliate marketing the proper way, who are earning tons of money through affiliate marketing. All that will be left after the bonus number 1 will be your execution. You have to execute to get the work done. and you have to do the proper systematic manner affiliate marketing, and you have to means do a lot of hard work. You have to put on a lot of hard work to get the work done. After that, you will be at same level as the other top affiliate marketers out there. So that is the bonus number one which I'm going to give you. And the bonus number two, as I told you, will be the backbone of affiliate marketing, or the thing which will leverage the affiliate marketing or will take your affiliate marketing journey the next way. And that is the bonus number two, and that is called as traffic. You can call it customers, you can call it buyers of your product which you are going to promote to them, and all they will do is they are going to buy the product. And the bonus number two will teach you how to get on the buyers, how to get the visitors or the people who can buy the product. There are a lot of ways of how to find that particular people who are going to buy that product, and that is what I'm going to show you as my bonus number two. As you can see right here, the bonus number two is, as you can see, the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, bang bang profit, 0 hour work days, incognito. There are 6 traffic courses which I'm going to give you completely for free. If you buy the TikTok cash bot from the link in the description, all you need to do is simply click the link in the description. Then you will land on this page. From this page, if you click this button which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, you will land on the sales page of this product, which is this one. And after that, if you buy this product, all the bonuses will be transferred to your account directly, completely for free. Okay. And my bonuses have not ended yet. There is another bonus, which is the bonus number 3, which I'm going to give you. And the bonus number 3 will be proper way, a proper knowledge of how to make money online nowadays. There are tons of ways, and I'm going to give you 9 proper ways of how to make money online. And that is also completely for free if you buy this product from the link down below. There's a bonus number 3, as you can see, 0 hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. There are 9 money making courses which I'm gonna give you completely for free. Okay, this is my sales page, but there is one catch behind all these, and that catch is this timer. As you can see right here, before this timer hits 0, you must grab on these bonuses, you must grab on the product, because after this timer hits 0, that will not be my responsibility to get the bonuses to you. If anything happens, you are not getting proper bonuses, that I will give you tons of means all the bonuses from my side, and I will be responsible for it. But after the timer hits 0, I will not guarantee and I cannot assure you that you are going to get all the bonuses. I have made the process to be automatic so that you can get the bonuses, but still, if you are not finding the bonuses after you purchase the product, then also it will not be my responsibility. So kindly consider buying the product before this timer is 0. All you need to do is simply click any of these yellow buttons. You will land on this page. From this page, if you buy the product, which is this one, all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay. So now let me show you about this product, which is TikTok cash bot. And look, as you can see, over $214,000 in profit paid to the users. You heard that right. And there are a lot of screenshots as well. There are a lot of proofs that this works. This guy's name is Weasley Virgin, and I do not know if you watch his videos or not, but he is a pretty popular guy in Instagram, YouTube, and he creates videos on motivational videos, then financial videos, then how to do marketing, how to do the proper way, meditation the proper way, and a lot of stuff. You can click and search for his name, and you will good to go to watch his profile. Okay, so the steps you need to follow to get this product to be working is, first one is login. Access the TikTok Cashbot online on your computer or your mobile phone, which works on any device. And number 2 is upload. Select a done for you video and hit the upload button. 0 video editing required. Then number 3 is receipt. Each time you upload a video, we make around $25 to $50 sent to our PayPal or bank account. And that's it. Nothing else to do, simply fire up TikTok Cashbot on your device of your choice, phone or computer, and begin uploading done for you videos. So you are just a 3 step away. Okay, so there are a lot of things on the sales page, and there are a lot of proofs as well that people are making money through it. As you can see, a lot of people who are using TikTok nowadays, and TikTok is a very vast profile, a very vast network to do affiliate marketing and any of these stuff. There are a lot of things in the sales which I'm not going to go any more details and waste your time to read it out everything that is right here. All you need to do is simply, if you want to read it out and your own, then simply click the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page, which is this one. And from my bonus page, if you click on any of these yellow buttons, you will land on this page and you can read out everything that is written in this page before you plan to buy this product. Okay, so this is what the product is. They are also having a 365-day money back guarantee, so you are having a full 1 year to check on this product, and if you do not feel that this product is helpful, then you can get 100% refund on your product. Okay, on the amount you paid to buy the product. And regarding to my bonuses, if you even return the product, all the bonuses which I'm going to give you right now will be with you for lifetime. There is no way you have to return the bonuses that I'm going to give you. You can enjoy it for life if you buy it once. So I guess everything is now clear. Let me again show you this bonus page and give you the brief of what the sales funnel is. What is a funnel? Funnel means what you are watching as TikTok Cashbot is the front end product, and there are other back end product as well. All the back end product does what? They enhances the performance of the previous product. Means if you buy the front end product, which is TikTok Cashbot, then there will be a done for you version. There can be a reseller version, which does what? A done for you version will cost you something, but it will do all the stuffs and it will do everything in your behalf. Okay, I guess there will be a done for you version as well. So let me show you, let me just see. So this is the front end version, which is $19. Then ultimate version will be of $197, which is the TikTok Cashbot ultimate version. Then you are having a done for you version for $297. Then you will be having an upgrade 3 automation version at $47. Then upgrade 4 is instant profits at $67. Then you are having a traffic on tap for $147. Then you are having a franchisee version of $197, and then finally multiple income version at $47. So when you land on that particular page, you can read out about the product, like the done for you version, the reseller version. You can read it out when you land on that particular page. There will be not much of issue. You have to read everything in details before you set your mind to buy any of these products, done for you version or reseller version or whatever the version it is. So I guess this is now clear. If you have any doubt regarding to the product, which is TikTok Cashbot, kindly consider commenting in the section down below. I will definitely reply you with anything you are facing with, and I create videos of this sort, so kindly consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, press the bell icon, and there are tons of softwares, tons of courses which launches every single week you are missing. So kindly consider subscribing to the channel so that you are updated with the launches. And I will meet you with another video with another product. Till then, take care and